So may I please talk to the international audience. Rodrigo Roa Duterte is the most beloved president of the Philippines. I had the privilege, I had the honor, I had the blessing to serve under such a president, and his trust and approval ratings from the time he sat in office till the time he stepped down until now is unprecedented in the known democratic world. And there is a reason for that. Rodrigo Roa Duterte comes but once in this lifetime. And this government of Bongbong Marcos kidnapped him. He wasn't given due process. He was taken in an airplane that the office of the president himself rented so that he could be kidnapped and brought to Hague. This Philippine president took his own citizen and surrendered him to the ICC, a kangaroo court, a court that has no respect from the international community. And I believe that none of us are separate, that we are all united. It doesn't matter if you are Filipino, or if you're from Hague, or if you're Chinese, or if you're from the United States. We are one. And this is happening all over the world. The lies that are being told by media about leaders who are real leaders are happening. The ICC is happening. The use of NGOs to steal from government is happening. We know this because we have been under the terrorism for over half a century of the CPP, NPA, and the F. Therefore, I would like to appeal to you. You are our protection. You are humanity's protection. Whatever diminishes one person diminishes the rest of humanity. There are plenty of persons that deserve to be in jail. The CPP, NPA, NDF is one of them. Fascists and plunderers, people who steal from the people, billions, trillions, of which Marcos and Tambaloslos are being now asked to explain themselves in the Supreme Court, are one of them. But definitely, Rodrigo Roa Duterte is not one of them. Help us to our fellow humans all over the world. Help us bring a most beloved, a most respected leader in this country. Thank you.